मीडिया के वरिष्ठ पत्रकार पर हुआ हमला। जी हां, कल देर रात रिपब्लिक भारत के अर्नब गोस्वामी पर 2 बाइक सवारों ने किया हमला। उन्होंने गाड़ी पर डंडे से वार भी किया और गाड़ी पर स्याही भी फेंकी। यह हादसा देर रात तब हुआ जब अर्नब गोस्वामी अपनी गाड़ी में अपनी धर्मपत्नी के साथ घर वापस लौट रहे थे। अर्नब के मुताबिक इसके पीछे एक बड़े राजनेता का हाथ हो सकता है, जिनके बारे में सवाल पूछता है भारत। शो पर अर्नब ने उन पर सवाल उठाए थे। इस संदर्भ में संवित पात्रा ने ट्विटर हैंडल पर एक वीडियो जारी किया है, जिसमें अर्नब गोस्वामी पर हमला करने का आरोप उन्होंने सोनिया गांधी पर डाला है। उन्होंने इस वीडियो में कहा है कि बड़े आश्चर्य की बात है कि सोनिया गांधी चुप हैं। उन्होंने अर्नब गोस्वामी पर हमला करने के लिए माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
Hello viewers, about an hour and 15 minutes back, at around 12:15 AM to be precise, I was driving back from my studios in the Bombay Dine complex in Lower Parel, and I was driving my car, a Toyota Corolla, with my wife. We were both sitting in the front seat. About 500 meters from my residence at Ganpatrao Kadam Marg, well before the turn to my residence, my car was overtaken by 2 people in a bike. They kept driving their bike parallel to my car for some time, and they kept looking to the left. Then they quickly overtook my car, and their bike stopped. When their bike stopped, I thought that perhaps there was a problem with their bike. So I tried to turn a little bit towards my left. At that point of time, one of the 2 people started pointing specifically at me, and he turned his bike back and he came right next to my car, and then they started hitting my car with something and trying to break the window pane of my car. They were repeatedly hitting at the window pane of my car repeatedly. Their attempt was to break the window pane of my car. When I sort of then I realized that this was some kind of an attack. I tried to move my car to the left. Then they started taking out bottles, and they were furiously throwing liquids at my car. They made another attempt to break the window panes of the car. This continued. At that point of time, I pressed my foot on the accelerator. I turned a little bit to the left. The car swerved. There was a screeching sound, and I moved away. When I moved 50 meters ahead, I looked back in my rear view mirror, and I saw that my security guards had held the people, and there was this bike, and the people who were in it had been accosted by my security persons, and my security persons took another 15 I would say 5 minutes to reach my building. They reached the parking lot of my building, and I asked them what happened and who were these people, and they said to me that they were Congress workers, youth Congress workers, who had said that they had been sent to attack me, and youth Congress workers who said they had tailed me, and they were given instructions by their higher-ups to attack me, to teach me a lesson. So I just want to tell you, Sonia Gandhi, that you're the biggest coward in this country right now.
कल रिपब्लिक चैनल के अर्नब गोस्वामी और उनकी धर्मपत्नी के ऊपर मुंबई में कांग्रेस के गुंडों ने हमला किया। यह बिल्कुल अस्वीकारनीय है, यह निंदनीय है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसकी निंदा करती है। आदरणीय सोनिया गांधी जी, जो कि कांग्रेस पार्टी की अध्यक्षा हैं, वो अभी तक इस विषय को लेकर चुप है। क्यों चुप है? ये वही कांग्रेस पार्टी है जो सहिष्णुता को लेकर बहुत सारे बखेड़ा खड़ा करती है, किंतु आज जब जर्नलिस्ट के ऊपर हमला हो रहा है, और ये किसी व्यक्ति के ऊपर हमला नहीं, ये फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेस और फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन के ऊपर हमला है, तब सोनिया जी चुप हैं। और आश्चर्य का विषय है कि कुछ बड़े कांग्रेस के नेताओं ने अपने वेरीफाइड ट्विटर हैंडल के माध्यम से यह धमकी भी अर्नब गोस्वामी और कुछ और जर्नलिस्ट को दिया था। इस विषय को लेकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी का मानना है कि सोनिया गांधी जी को सामने आकर क्षमा याचना करनी चाहिए।
और अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहिए। सतर्क भारत, सतर्क हर वक्त।